Hey everyone, you're here with the Michael Lewis Marketing Suite, and for this tutorial we're going to be going over the process of ordering a postcard mail out. Now to save some time, I already got us into the editing portion of a postcard, and from here, once you have all of your photos and text boxes exactly the way you want, you can click View Proof and continue. It's going to start building your design. Once it's done, it'll display your front and back template on the View Proof page, as you see here. So you can double check, make sure everything looks good. If it does, you scroll down to where it says Mailing Database. Now you'll notice that the button is currently gray. When it's gray, that means if we were to click Online Proof Approval and Add to Cart, it will not let us. The reason being is there's no mailing database or addresses for us to send the postcards to. So we'll click on Mailing Database. From here, if you haven't already, you can request a mailing database for 8 cents per record by clicking here and just going through and filling out the information. And then there's also upload your own mailing database, where if you already have an Excel spreadsheet with the name and address of each person, you can upload that list into your account. So we'll go ahead and choose from the drop-down. You'll see we have 2 requested farms and 1 uploaded. We'll just go with the one that has the 100 records. I've selected it. You'll notice that there's currently 0 farms attached, so we have to click Attach Database. When you do, now it shows 1. If you selected the wrong database and you meant to go with the one that was for 250, do not delete the database. Just hit Reset. It'll put it back to 0. You can go ahead and select the one for 250 and attach it. Once you've got the farm or farms attached that you want to send it to, go ahead and click Done. And now you'll notice that that mailing database button that was gray is now red. So now we're able to click Online Proof Approval and Add to Cart and put on our initials. Now it brings you to your postcard options as far as postage type, paper type, and mail out quantity. Our farm we set for 250, quantity is 250, so that's perfect. We have it as third class for 51 cents a piece, and at 250 you have the subtotal of 163 right here. If you want a quicker shipping time, you can go to first class mail. It's an additional 21 cents, and as soon as you select first class, you'll see it changes the subtotal. We'll go ahead and put it back to third class. Current resident, yes, so if you don't have the owner's name of an address, it'll just put current resident. You can choose your cardstock, whether you want the 100-pound card cover, which is our thick cardstock, or the 16-point card cover, which is our thicker cardstock. It's an additional 6 cents, and it's what our business cards are printed on. Again, if you were to select this, it'll change the total cost. If you put it back, it'll drop it back down. If you'd like to add additional handouts to your mail-out order, you can do so. It is a minimum of 20, and they are charged at the handout rate, which is cheaper, but you also will be added on the shipping cost of shipping those 20 or more to you. So you'll decide what you want here. Once you have it all correct, click Add to Cart. Brings you to your cart where you can make sure everything's correct. It's 59 cents a piece for 250. Sent to this database. If it's all good, then you can go ahead and click Checkout. Clicking Checkout is going to take you to your shipping and billing address. Now the shipping address, a lot of people get a little confused by this, is only here because we send 1 copy, we call it our seed copy, to you. So we need to know where to ship that 1 copy, and that 1 copy sent to you is kind of used so you can see what it looks like in hand. And also, once you've received your copy, you can be sure that your farm has received theirs as well. And then your billing address, of course. Those are both correct. Click Continue. And then you're going to put in your credit card information. You can save it if you'd like at the bottom. Doing so, it'll save everything except for the security code or the CVV number. You'd have to put that in every time. Make sure everything's good. Billing address, shipping address, credit card information, and then you can go ahead and click Purchase. At this point, if you'd like, you can always click the checkbox here and an assistant from the MLMS Assistant Division will go ahead and reach out to you to see what you'd like help with on your next order. That covers it for this tutorial. Hopefully it was helpful. If you have any questions, please call our customer care number, which is 310-606-2029.